How many hours going to Madam's house?
Huh?
How many hours?
20 minutes, 30 minutes.
Okay.
20 minutes.
Shafiq is there?
Yeah, Shafiq is there.
And then
Cooking Shafiq.
Rahman
Yeah, also Abdurrahman.
and Sifa.
Shiba?
Shafiq, you know Sheba?
Yeah.
Sheba.
Shafiq, Sheba, Leto.
Yeah. Lebanon. The henna tree. This one, the henna. Also have a fruit. This, the seeds. Yeah. Flora, you get this one, these leaves, and then you put to your hair. This is the henna. Ah. What are you doing there? Relaxing? The henna. And nari ni siya ikuan eh. Seed. Dagan kay rosemary diri oh. Rosemary, right? Because the smell. And this one is super expensive there in the Doha. Just only the grass. Look. Maybe we bring to Doha. Too much there. Oh, up also. I thought only the grass.
Also, you see, I was trying to remember the rosemary. I see, this is like
The herbs.
I cannot imagine.
Yeah, when I
Imagine.
smell rosemary, yeah. Nice, ah.
Yeah, I cannot imagine people wasting rosemary. I cannot imagine.
My God. The one that I make with Sebda.
Yeah,
This one. My gosh.
very fresh.
Maybe there's a snake there.
If there's anything I would not like to see in my life,
Maybe there's a
then
snake.
it will look at you like this. Oh my God. No.
And then the snake will thinking, I eat this. This is too big.
This is how now how I start. Let me see. I fear snake.
Maybe we can get, no? Little.
Yeah, we come. Then
We bring to
wash.
Doha. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we wash.
We wash, then we wrap, we bring to Doha.
My God, it's too much.
Too much.